In the global refractory industry, precision defines excellence. NYTWO Global delivers premium refractories and abrasives. White fused aluminate, brown fused aluminate, white tabular aluminate, rotary kiln bauxite, and magnesia series. Your trusted source for refractories and abrasives. Every batch is ISO certified and lab tested. Full technical data sheet and certificate of analysis verification before every shipment. With dual warehouses in China and India, we eliminate intermediaries. Direct sourcing ensures competitive pricing, faster delivery, and significantly reduced lead times. Over 1 million metric tons of annual capacity. End-to-end supply chain support. From raw material procurement to custom blending and secure international logistics.